In this tutorial, we'd like to show you a little bit about editing the symbols for your shapefiles. And so you can see currently we have big trees and small trees, and railroads, freeway, and residential streets. These have been imported as well into our legend for each of those shapefiles. So if we go in here, if you just double click on it, what you're going to see is it's going to come up with the symbology representation. And if I double click again, I get these listings of all sorts of items I can put in. Very handy. They have a lot of features in here, just interstate highways, hospitals, airports, a lot of features. You notice as I come to the end, nothing looking like trees at this point. However, if I search in here for tree, you'll see this will take a little second, but we will go ahead and get a whole listing of trees in there. So they have all sorts of specific types of trees in here, just about anything you can imagine. And coming a little further down, we're just going to pull this symbol out, and we'll leave. We'll just make the size a little bit smaller, 14. Hit OK, and that's going to be our big tree. Now for the small tree, we want to go back. Same thing. Search again. Come to the same symbol. We want the same one. We're just going to make it a little bit smaller. So again, we can make the size down to something that looks a little bit smaller, so we'll hit OK. Now if I hit OK, you can see that these change the symbols here, and we'll do the same thing for the railway. You can go in, and for the lines, they have several different items as well, depending on what you want your railway to look like. So let's just type in railroad and see what features I get. Okay, all sorts of different ones in here. Just to make it a little more noticeable, we're going to do the multi-track one, which is the case down at Safeco Freeway. We're just going to go with the freeway designation that they have. And then for residential street, you can see that it's currently black. If I want to select that one, but want to change the color, I can go ahead and change the color here. Let's just make it blue, and then we'll increase the width just a little bit. Hit OK. And so we can see those are the different ways that you can edit those, and then once we insert those into here, you'll have a very nice looking map.